Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how to easily remove all sorts of watermark if you're a graphic designer or if you're using anything like that in your presentation, or do you want to use on your website or anywhere on the internet. So we might encounter something like this, Shutterstock, or something like this or this. So if you do that on Adobe Photoshop or anything like that, it will take a lot of time, but today I'm going to tell you something that will make it go like that. Okay, so first we will choose an image. So I will open this thing called Alamy, so we can download all the images we want. For example, okay, I'm creating a presentation on ocean, so I'm going to search for ocean waves, maybe. Yeah, okay, so it can be Alamy or it can be Shutterstock or anything like that. So okay, fine. So I like this image, so I'm going to download that, open that, and then download. Okay, so yeah, we have this watermark over here, so I'm going to download that with the watermark so I can show you guys like how to remove that easily. Okay, it's downloaded. So all right, so here the real fun starts. So first of all, you'll have to open a website called watermark remover.io. so it's free of cost. It won't cost you any penny or something like that. It won't even cost you your time as well. So first of all, you have to upload the image that we just downloaded, this one. Yeah, so it's just uploading, and boom, it's gone. Like, for if you look at this, it's gone. If you look at that, it's gone. So I think it's great thing. Although you can find something like that somewhere, and if you want these removed, then you can obviously download this image and then re-upload it over here, and then repeat the whole process to get these little things removed. You usually doesn't show, it doesn't left these little things, but since it has left over here, so okay, so we'll simply just download that, and that's it. And if you want to again remove this, then you'll have to upload the downloaded file that we've just downloaded, upload the file that we just downloaded, and then repeat the same process, and it'll solve your problem. So do subscribe, like this video, share this with your friends. Thank you so much.